Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Bev and Ryan, and we share honest hotel and resort tours to help you plan your next getaway. Today, we're taking a full look inside the SpringHill Suites by Marriott at Anaheim Resort Convention Center. If you're planning a trip to Anaheim, you already know that choosing the right hotel can make or break your vacation. You want space, the amenities, and most importantly, you want to be close to the magic without blowing your budget. Located right on the corner of Harbor Boulevard and West Catella Avenue, this property puts you just a short stroll away from the Disneyland Resort entrance and steps from the Anaheim Convention Center. Let's head inside and see if this all-suite property lives up to the hype. If you're driving into town, the hotel features a secured underground garage. Self-parking runs $40 a night, but it keeps your car cool and protected from that California sun, which is a huge plus. Heading up from the garage, the lobby immediately sets the tone. It's bright, modern, and completely skips that cramped, dated motel vibe you see all over Anaheim. Right next to the front desk, they've got a handy 24-hour market for late-night snack runs, plus a quick-access business center with computers and a printer if you need to handle any last-minute paperwork. And if you're here for work, there's even an on-site boardroom available to rent. And if that small market doesn't have what you're looking for, no worries. The hotel sits directly above a massive 24-hour CVS pharmacy. After a quick check-in process with a friendly staff, it was time to make our way up to our room on the 5th floor. We are on the 5th floor, so let's check out our room, 528. This is a 2-queen room. So let's see what we have. Actually, I'm very impressed by this room. Just check out the space as soon as you enter. So there's a living room area with a single chair right here and this huge L-shaped couch. And this is actually a sofa bed, so you can sleep 2 more people here. And on this side, we have an office desk with a small TV. And there's plugs right there for your devices. I'm assuming they're just empty storage drawers. Our table for your luggage. There's a coffee maker here, and this is the coffee they have. Any tea? Just coffee. I don't see any tea. And over here, ice bucket and a couple of cups. There's a microwave so you can heat up your food, and a small fridge, which is empty. And right across from this is the bathroom with this huge full body mirror. Let's open it up. Just your standard bathroom. There's the toilet, a single sink. What do they have here? There's soap and makeup remover. Hair dryer down below with the towels. And here's the shower. So they do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And there's the shower right there. Now let's go to the bedroom part. So here's the 2 queen beds. See how it feels. It's pretty plush, so it feels good. Another TV here with a bunch of storage drawers. Let's see if there's any plugs here by the bed. So there's a couple plugs right there. There's a USB-A plug. And let's see the small closet. A tiny closet for such a big room, but there's a pillow up there, iron and ironing board, another pillow and more blankets down here. Now let's check out our view. So we just have a view of the other hotels in the area, but this room is actually very nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, but I like it. One of the biggest perks of staying here is the complimentary hot breakfast buffet served daily. They lay out a massive spread of all the classics: scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon, breakfast potatoes, biscuits and gravy, plus cereals, oatmeal, fresh fruit, and a full drink station. And of course, they have the fan favorite Mickey Mouse waffles. Fueling up for free before a long day on your feet at the park is a huge win. If you prefer to kickstart your morning with a specialty coffee or a quick pastry instead, there's also a coffee bean and tea leaf built right into the property for an easy grab-and-go option. We're at the rooftop pool deck here on the 5th floor. So they have a small pool over here. And this place is actually always busy later on in the early evening when all the families are back from Disneyland. So it gets very packed here. And there's also a bunch of seating areas here. Check that out. So some tables if you want to have your lunch or dinner out here. And there's a Tetris game over on that side. And this is a good place at night to watch the Disneyland fireworks at 9:30 because you can see it from right here. So actually a pretty nice rooftop pool deck here at the hotel. Let's check out the fitness center here, which is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So a very small gym here. So let's see what they have. So they have this stretching area on this side, towels over here with some dumbbells and a couple of benches, cable machine over there, some exercise balls, a couple treadmills, a couple ellipticals, and an exercise bike. And it's right beside the pool, so you got a view of the pool and the pool deck here. And here's more views. There's Disneyland across, and there's one of the rides right there. So yeah, very basic gym here at the hotel. So there's a laundry room here for your convenience, and you don't need coins, you can just pay with your phone. So they have 6 washers and 6 dryers, and you can purchase detergent downstairs by the lobby. When it comes to location, this property is tough to beat. Sitting right at the intersection of Harbor Boulevard and Catella Avenue, you're positioned perfectly in the heart of Anaheim's resort district. If you're heading to the parks, it's a quick 15-minute walk straight down Harbor to their main Disneyland pedestrian entrance, meaning you can skip the park shuttles and parking tram lines entirely. That same easy walk also puts you right at the entrance of downtown Disney, giving you seamless access to all its incredible shops, world-class dining, and evening entertainment without needing a park ticket. If you're attending an event, the Anaheim Convention Center is practically right beside the hotel, making it an ideal base whether you're here for leisure or business. Plus, the immediate area is packed with convenience. On top of having that 24-hour CVS right downstairs, you've got a Walgreens, a 7-Eleven, and plenty of quick local spots to grab a bite directly across the street. You're also just a short walk from Anaheim Garden Walk, giving you instant access to incredible dining and entertainment. When it comes to pricing, room rates here typically start anywhere from around $200 to $250 a night, depending on the season, park crowd levels, or major conventions in town. Given the sheer amount of space you get with an all-suite layout, plus free breakfast for the whole group, the value here is tough to beat for this location. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed our stay here. The extra square footage in the studio suites gave us plenty of breathing room, the breakfast buffet made mornings effortless before hitting the parks, and the staff was warm and helpful from the moment we checked in. Add in a prime 15-minute walk to Disneyland, and this property easily checks every box for a stress-free Anaheim trip. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below letting me know where you're staying on your next Disneyland trip, and hit that subscribe button for more hotel tours. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next adventure.